And they've gone to ground. It's just popped up again. One of the chicks, whoops, lost him again. Very hard when it's very hard to zoom and keep losing my spot anyway. There we go. Look at the little thing. These plovers are deadly at the best of times, but when they're protecting their chicks, I tell ya, they won't let anything near, big or small. And they take on a line if they had to, I reckon. They're good parents. They got that spur on their wing. This is why they also get the name of spur wing. So they use it to great effect in aerial attacks against other birds. They can rip them right open, kill them. They've been known to kill other birds. Anyway, I don't want to hassle them out. That magpie just decided to keep on going. Anyway, I know I'm here and they're tolerating me so far, but they keeping a very wary eye on me. Where's the bubs? I think there's one right there, isn't there? No. Yes, there is. Where is he? Where is he? Oh, he's far away from Mum and Dad anyway. Down a little bit. Fucking hard to see. There we go. There's two. There's three of them all up, but I can't get them all three in the same shot. Anyway. Sorry about the bumpiness of this. But there's your little plover chicks anyway. Cute little buggers, aren't they? Mum and Dad aren't very cute, but little ones. Can't keep this bloody camera still.